sugar, corn, coconut milk, and cornstarch. And milk. Four tablespoons of
mas gusto kong gamitin ang kutsilyo na to make can opener rather than can opener. Ang gulo ko, no? Just pour 1 can of coconut milk into the pan, and then you will add the rest of the ingredients like sugar and corn and then vanilla.
Stop sniffing around.
When the coconut milk is boiling already, you will have you will add the cornstarch with milk.
Carly.
Oras na para ilagay ang cornstarch mixture with milk, and then ihaluin lang ng haluin until it's thicken and thicken. Itong mahablang ka na to ay hindi ko na-expect na magugustuhan ni Mila ng apo ko. Tinago niya pa dun sa ilalim ng freezer yung ilang hiwa niyan at kinakain niya every time na umuwi siya galing sa eskwelahan. At bibilin pa niya ako, Lola, don't eat all of that. Oh. Ngayon, isang hiwa na lang natitira. Isang hiwa na lang natitira. Sabi niya, wag mong kainin yan, kakainin ko bukas. At nagustuhan niya. So, ayan lang. Wala ka lang tigil lang kakahalo. Pero mabilis lang naman siyang lutuin. Dapat ang halo niyan corn, hindi na corn cream, but I don't have corn cream. I don't have corn, only corn cream, so it's fine. And you can put toppings like cheese or the latik, the from coconut. Pero I don't have the latik, so I'm just using the coconut, the cheese. So it's done already. Diyan ko na lang sa kawali patitigasin yan. And then I will add sprinkle of cheese. Then it's done. O yan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video.